Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be talking about AMC. And as you guys can see here, today AMC is up 38%. And a lot of people are kind of wondering, why all of a sudden is AMC Entertainment going up? Is AMC Entertainment a good buy at $10.88? So if we take a look at the chart here together for today's trading session, I mean, it started off pretty normal, kind of going along, and it's just trading around $8. And as you guys can see here, this thing had a high of $11.24. Basically, a lot of the stocks that kind of saw previous rallies like GameStop, AMC, just kind of started to shoot upwards. A lot of people are wondering, is this another Reddit-fueled rally? Well, there's not really much to explain behind it. I've said time and time again that AMC, GameStop, and all these other stocks do have a decent amount of short squeeze. So a lot of these Redditors and a lot of these investors as well have been buying AMC Entertainment, not only due to the fact of trying to force out a short squeeze, which is definitely possible because AMC does hold a decent amount of short flow. I believe it's somewhere around 80%. And if you guys don't know what a short flow is, or having a short position altogether, it's essentially when a lot of these big time investors, hedge funds, stuff like that, will basically borrow shares or sell shares at a higher price because they think the stock is going to go down. You just have to repay back the shares and you get to collect the difference of how much you actually sold the shares for in the first place. When stocks actually carry a short flow, and the stock price starts going upward, the people who made the short positions have to start covering their positions. Some people have a few hundred shares, but a lot of these big time investors sometimes will short millions of shares. So that's just kind of a little quick rundown on what holding a short position actually means. But it is always a possibility that AMC Entertainment is going to go through a short squeeze because it does contain a good amount of short flow. But AMC Entertainment in itself has actually also had a lot of good news recently. A couple weeks ago, AMC Entertainment ruled out bankruptcy, which was a very good sign for the company. It means the company is going to stay on track. It's not going anywhere as of now. When there was a previous rally, AMC Entertainment was able to raise a decent amount of capital, actually selling its own stock, which was very, very good. And if we take a look at it, what was actually announced the other day, New York actually plans on reopening movie theaters to 25% capacity starting on March 5th, which is a very big deal for the company. It goes to show, that, the United States is trying to start to reopen. AMC Entertainment obviously has taken a big hit because of the pandemic altogether, so it has not been able to really maximize or even have efficient earnings and sales. Obviously, with COVID, you cannot be in places that, there's a lot of people involved in close proximity, but New York reopening movie theaters on March 5th, 25% capacity is definitely going to outlook AMC Entertainment's Q1 and Q2 earnings. It's definitely going to push it in the upwards direction. But in cool news as well, New York City actually is one of the busiest states when it comes to the actually movie theaters itself. It has one of the most business, so that's actually very good for AMC. It goes to show that a lot of states are soon going to follow suit. A lot of states are going to start reopening, and a lot of people are basically going to start going to the movie theaters. For me, the reason I'm bullish on AMC Entertainment is not due to the simple fact of just they're going to be reopening soon and stuff like that. It's just because I don't even think the classical movie theater is ever going to go away. I love going to the movies. Everybody loves going to the movies. It's an experience that you're never going to really be able to diminish, and it's a luxury that people have not been able to have for a long time. So with the movie theaters reopening, there's definitely going to be a lot of people who are going to be jumping to go to the movies once again, even with streaming services growing popularity, and a lot of these streaming services are going to be showing the movies that are coming out on their own streaming platform. It's not going to make a difference because although it is cheaper to kind of stream it at home, you're never going to be able to take away from actually just going to the movies, being able to buy snacks and popcorn and soda. It's never going to go away. It's a very good idea. It's a very good business model in my personal opinion. And I don't think it's ever going to be something that's really going to hurt AMC Entertainment in the long run. Although, like I said, the company has not been doing well. That's kind of just how it's working out right now. The same thing is going with cruises and airlines. And a lot of these companies have not been able to do well just due to the simple fact of the pandemic. But vaccines are rolling out and people are kind of starting to try to reopen again, which is making people a lot more bullish on AMC Entertainment. But AMC Entertainment itself, where do I think AMC Entertainment is going to go from here? What's my overall price prediction on AMC Entertainment? For me, I do think AMC Entertainment does have a chance to go back to $20. It's definitely not unlikely. Like I said, with things reopening up, AMC Entertainment is going to start doing well again, which is definitely going to push the stock in the upward direction. Like I said, AMC Entertainment also has a decent amount of short float, so there is still always a potential chance that a lot of people can force out a short squeeze out of AMC Entertainment. I know a lot of people do kind of look at it from a bigger perspective that, if you're invested in AMC Entertainment, you shouldn't just be holding it because you think the stock is going to go through a short squeeze. I actually don't think AMC Entertainment is a horrible buy at $10.97. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But with the bullish outlook we see on AMC Entertainment, with things reopening up once again, and like I said, a lot of people have not had the luxury to be able to go to the movie theaters, it's definitely going to boost the outlook on AMC Entertainment stock price, and I do think the stock is going to be headed upward from here. Yes, it's going to have its downs and its ups, but if we take a look at it from a bigger perspective, an investment perspective, if you're holding AMC Entertainment at a low average, I don't advise anybody to sell altogether. I do think that the stock does have a little bit more room to grow. I know a lot of people do speak that AMC Entertainment is going to go bankrupt as a company and the company is not doing well altogether. And I want all investors to know, if you have been holding the stock, congratulations for being patient. That's sometimes what it takes when it comes to the stock market. AMC Entertainment has been doing very well. There's a lot of other companies out there like tech and the EV market are absolutely just crashing, while AMC Entertainment is rallying, basically rallied over double its price in the last couple of days. So it's very, very good. And like I said, I do see a lot of upward potential for AMC Entertainment as things are starting to open up and as the United States continues to kind of just trying to get rid of the pandemic altogether. And it's going to be the same thing with airlines and cruises. Like, these stocks have been rallying a lot just due to the simple fact that, with the United States heading towards more of a COVID kind of getting used to COVID and stuff like that, you can't keep businesses shut down forever. So this is definitely going to help AMC Entertainment really go up to the next level. And like I said, I know there's a lot of people out there as well, but if we take a look at it, yes, AMC Entertainment, it does have a chance to go through a short squeeze. I don't know how high it'll go, but it does have the chance to hit $30, $40, $50, $60. You never really know. A lot of people didn't think GameStop could hit almost $500, but it did. AMC Entertainment was probably headed in that same direction, not as far as share price, but as far as forcing a short squeeze altogether, until a lot of the brokerages actually limited the trading altogether. So if we dive in a little bit deeper, yes, I do think AMC Entertainment is a good buy. I do think that the company does have a lot of upward potential, and I do think the company does have a potential chance, or the stock itself has a chance of going through a massive short squeeze. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. What's your price prediction for AMC Entertainment stock? I'm always very curious to know.